Hello, my dear fellow crafters. Welcome to GADAC DIY. In today's video, I'm going to show you some very easy and beginner-friendly kitchen decor ideas. These are inspired from trending products of online websites like Amazon and Flipkart. Do check it out and let me know if you like these ideas. For this idea, I'm going to use this gypsum board. These are easily available in plaster of Paris and hardware shops. These can be easily cut with a regular cutter blade. Has a very nice flat surface and gives a very good wood-like finish. I cut out 4 blocks of 8 x 8 cm. I painted them with black acrylic paint. I'm going to add a padding of foam sheet at the base of this project. These are A4 color sheets. I'm going to write some small catchy words. You can also use the alphabet templates for this. Every Saturday, I'll be sharing a new idea in our channel. So, in order to get notified, do subscribe to our channel. Going to use these decorative resin sheets. I got this from an upholstery shop. Even though I didn't find the exact same one online, I found some colorful resin sheets available online. I've shared the links in the description below. It's done. Do you like this quick and easy idea? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Along with these coasters, I've also made this matching tray. If you want to learn how I made these, stay tuned till the end. Meanwhile, I'll show you a few more cute and easy ideas. I'm going to use this macrame thread for this project. I've given the link in the description. Stick a bamboo stick on a piece of cardboard. This will help us with the knitting. Cut out 40 cm strips of macrame thread and using the bamboo stick, tie a knot. This particular knot is called lark's knot. I'm going to put 12 such knots in the bamboo stick. These are the basic knots of macrame. I've used these knots in the previous projects, which you can see in the right hand side. I'm going to show you one more knot, which is called square knot, which is quite tricky. So do listen to that carefully so that you can make these beautiful projects with your own hands and decorate your house beautifully. I've shared the links for these projects in the description below. Do check it out. Now to start with, I'm just grouping the first 4 threads and then separating the center 2. These are also called base cords. Now moving the right thread on top of the base cord and bringing the left thread below the base cord and bringing it out of the loop. I'm now tying a knot. Next, bringing the left thread on top of the base cord and bringing the right thread below the base cord and bringing it out of the loop and again tying a knot. Now the square knot is ready. Now let's repeat. Group the next 4 cords and separate the center 2 base cords. Move the right thread on top of the base cord and left thread below the base cord and bring it out of the loop, and now tie a knot. Similarly, bring the left cord on top of the base cord and then bring the right cord below the base cord and out of the loop. Now tying a knot. Now again our square knot is ready. Now the first row is finished. Repeating the square knot for the next row, but I have left the first 2 threads and then started with the third one. Continue doing the same for the next set of 4 threads. Now for the third row, the knitting has to be done similar to the first row. So please have this in mind when you do the knitting. In my channel, I've created many unique and never seen before decor ideas using easily available supplies. So do consider subscribing and also check out our channel for these unique creations. I've continued the knitting for the next 6 rows. Leave 1-inch threads and then cut off the extras. Simply untangle the edges and then using a regular comb, just brush it to get a nice texture. Trim the edges so that we can get a nice finish. It's done. Hope you got a basic idea of macrame using this project. You can also replicate the same design using a longer thread and create a bigger mat and use it in our dining as a placemat. For the next project, I'm going to use this wooden block. These are easily available in the hardware shops. I'm going to use these thin paper washi tape to make different abstract patterns. I've shared the link for this in the description. We also have our social media presence in Facebook and Instagram. You can check for our page at #GADAC DIY or /GADAC DIY. I'm painting the in-between spaces using black and silver metallic paint. I've shared the link for this in the description below. Recently, I have uploaded many kitchen decor ideas in our channel, starting from kitchen organizers, spice rack, cutlery holder, cute little wall arts, storage baskets for our fruits and vegetables, cup holders. All these ideas are available in our channel, so do check our channel for these unique ideas. Make sure to remove these washi tapes quite slowly, as it may remove the paint. Since these wooden blocks are quite elevated, I'm highlighting the base so that we can get a nice 3D effect. It's done! This has turned out to be one of the most inexpensive decor I've ever tried. Simple changes make big difference. This project is one of those examples. It will certainly add a very nice touch to your dining area. Anybody can try this simple idea. Do try it out and let me know if you like this idea. You can also add a coat of varnish on top of this so that the paint is retained permanently. I'm going to start this project with a polyester carry bag. I'm going to cut out 10 x 10 squares from this carry bag. I'm using 10 cm ice cream sticks. Mark and trim off the edges. We would need 2 ice cream sticks per edge. Our channel has variety of home decor starting from expensive looking mirror decor to simple abstract wall art which anybody can try. Also we have light decor, vases, vase fillers, placemats and a particular area specific decors. So do check our channel to get inspired. I've painted all the borders with white acrylic paint. I'm going to use this colorful art paper. Using Mod Podge, I'm going to stick and seal these colorful paper on top of the base. It's done. Do you like this very easy and colorful decor? You can quickly and easily do this with things available at home. Do try this with your kids, they would really love it. As mentioned, these are beginner friendly ideas and it would certainly increase your interest towards handmade crafts. I'm going to show you how I made the matching tray for the coasters which I've shown in the first creation. I've started with joining two 20 x 20 cm of cardboard. Also going to use 20 x 3 and 18 x 3 strips of cardboard. I generally stick multiple together to make it thick and sturdy. If you want me to try any specific decor or any inspired idea, do share it in my email ID gadacdiy@gmail.com, or you can also add it in the comments. I'm going to mask the edges using this paper tape. These are generally available in hardware stores. I usually use 3M brand. I've shared the link for the same in the description below. Painted the edges alone with black acrylic paint. I'm going to use this water resistant packaging foam as the base for this project. These are generally used for packaging fragile materials. I'm going to stick it on using white glue. Going to fix this waterproof resin sheet in the center. The tray is also done. Let me know if you like all these ideas. I would like to hear from you all. I've shared the links for our other playlist at the end of this video. Do check it out and let me know if you like these ideas. Please do share our channel and this video with your friends and family.